How to add Spotify music to Instagram story. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can add Spotify music to Instagram story. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First of all, open up your Spotify. Make sure you're logged in. Then what you can do is open up any music or song that you like. After that, you can tap on the three dots on the top right corner of that very song and then tap on share. After you tap on share, you can select story or note from the Instagram right there. You can select what type you want to send as well. So I'll just select stories and then open. After that, it will open up my story. And now the music should be playing on the story and you can edit it if you'd like. And after you're satisfied, you can tap on add story. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.